Elizabeth. Now, do you want to do a circle? Do you want to spin in a circle? So I can see the back of your hair? Spin in a circle. Do a twirl. Ooh. Do you want to give me your princess face? Smile. Do your princess face. And say your name.
Elizabeth.
And how old are you? You're 3. And do you love princesses? Is that your big brother?
Yeah.
Charlie? Okay. Charlie, I'm looking at just your skin right now. And where are you wearing? You're wearing your Seahawks gear? Uh-oh, let's not hurt her. Hold on. Do you want to do like a curtsy? Can you do a curtsy, like a plie, like a little princess curtsy? Ooh, that's pretty.
Don't stop reading.
Is Sam doing his own little princess stuff? All right.
I want it.
Say goodbye to the camera.
No, don't. I need to. No.